Hey there, freelancers! Today, we've got something special for all you beginners out there. We're sharing 2 valuable tips to help you kickstart your freelance career. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1, is all about finding your niche. As a beginner, it's essential to identify what sets you apart and specialize in a particular area. Are you a talented graphic designer? Or maybe a skilled writer? By focusing on your strengths and passion, and that leads us to tip number 2, building a strong online presence. In this digital age, having a professional website and a solid social media presence can make a world of difference. Showcase your portfolio, share your expertise, and engage with potential clients. Remember, freelancing is not just about completing projects, it's about building relationships. And don't be afraid to reach out to fellow freelancers or potential clients. Networking is key to expanding your opportunities. Find your niche and build a strong online presence. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a lot of hard work. On Freelance Career, like and share this video with your freelancer friends, and don't forget to follow us for more tips and tricks to level up your freelance game. Keep hustling and stay inspired.